We're playing Pet Simulator Pex. New. I think I already have a pet. Can you be quiet? I can't hear my game. Anyways, how do I get Oh, this is how.
Lagi hindi din ka magbigi.
Wait, I need internet. It's not my birthday. This is their birthday. Let's go. Really quiet. Really quiet. Bye. Be quiet, you. I already have diamonds. But how do I get coins? Do we just open more? How do I break it? Oh, my cat breaks it. Thank you, Timony.
You go home now?
And what else can I get? Come here, cat. Come here, Timony. Timony. I was gonna say, where did my cat go? Yeah, go. Go. Good kitty. So, wait, can I get that? No, that's too much. I need to get the low ones. No. I just started the game. Oh no, I forgot. I can't do that. Hey, stop. The coin is running away from me. So, can I buy anything? No. I need 500. What a shame. I think I need to get the big one. But this is slow. Okay, fine. I have to do what I have to do. It's for the money. It's for the money. Can I break this? Can I just break this? Can I just break this? This was not planned. I just want to break it. No, just break it. Oh, wait. That was 300, not 500. Wow. Okay. What should I name this bunny? Money. A good name for a bunny. Thanks for that. Oh my gosh. I just got the best pet in the game just by playing the game. Like what? Should I name him Angel? Yeah. No, not Angela.
Angela or Thor.
Just make it Angela.
Yeah.
Does that look like a boy to you? Teka dyan, mas naman. Teka.
Ha?
Yo! Yo! I just unlocked the full game. I did not unlock the full game, but like, yo. Finally, hurry up. You're so slow. Yo, I'm already. I am already a pro at this game. I mean, like, I'm still a noob, but like, wow. I can buy almost everything. Come on. Everything but angel. Yes. Anyways, let me buy all. Let's buy all of the stored eggs. Oh, go. Golden cow.
Tumaga.
I'm not cowboy, but thief.
Gago. Ano grade mo?
And yes,
Grade 3.
I'm gonna name. Should I just give a pic?
Sino mama?
Yeah. Jimmy the piggy.